Good morning friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are continuing the problems on the dual nature of the matter and the radiation. Now let us consider the first problem. Now let us consider that find the number of the photons of the wavelength 600 nanometer and it is emitted per second by an electric bulb of the power 60 watt. Given that H is equal to 6 into 10 raised to minus 34 joule second. In this condition, we have to find the number of the photons. Number of the photons is equal to question mark. And they have given that wavelength lambda is equal to 600 nanometer. And they have given that the power is equal to 60 watt. And H is equal to 6 into 10 raised to minus 34 joule second. Now first we have to write the given term. Let us consider E is equal to 60 joule. E is equal to, we are considering the 60 joule. Now let us consider the energy emitted by the bulb. Here what we are considering, the energy emitted by the bulb E is equal to 60 joule. Now next we have to consider here number of the photons. Therefore in this condition we are considering photons H mu is equal to Hc by lambda. We know the value of H, we know the value of C and we know the value of lambda. Put all the values. H is equal to, we are considering here 6 into 10 raised to minus 34 into 3 into 10 raised to 8 divided by lambda is 600 nanometer. 600 into 10 raised to minus 9. Alright, here lambda is equal to 600 nanometer, or this can be written as 600 into 10 raised to minus 9 meter. Now the calculation part of H mu is equal to, we are getting the answer as, or keep as it is only. Okay. Now let us consider H mu is equal to this one. Now next we have to find here number of the photons emitted by the bulb. Number of the photons emitted by the bulb, emitted by the bulb, emitted by the bulb per second, per second. Here we have to take the formula N is equal to E divided by H mu, or we can write this as E lambda divided by H into C. N is equal to E divided by H mu, or this can be also written in the form of E into lambda by H C. Now put all the values. Now N is equal to, E means 60, lambda 600 into 10 raised to minus 9 whole divided by H into C. Put the value of H, 6 into 10 raised to minus 34 into 3, C 3 into 10 raised to 8. Now the number of the photons emitted per second, the value of the N, we are getting the answer as 2 into 10 raised to 20. Therefore N is equal to 2 into 10 raised to 20. According to the question, we have to find the number of the photons. Therefore, the number of the photons is 2 into 10 raised to 20. Now, let us consider the next problem. An electron moves from a region of zero potential to a place where the potential is 45.5 volt. What will be the velocity of the electron? The charge of the electron is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb, and the mass of the electron is 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31 kg. Here we have to calculate, or here we have to find the velocity of the electron, that is small v is equal to question mark. Now first write the given term. Let us consider the potential. V is equal to 45.5 volt. Next they have given the electron. E is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. And the mass of an electron m is equal to 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31. Now, according to the question, here we can tell that the kinetic energy gain is always equal to the potential energy loss. Is always equal to the potential of the energy loss. Now, the formula for the kinetic energy we can write 1 by 2 mv square is equal to V into E. V means potential energy. Okay. Now, from this we have to calculate the V, small v, that is velocity is equal to question mark. Therefore, V is equal to root of 2 into VE by m. V is equal to, we are considering here root of 2VE by m. Now, the velocity of the electron. The velocity of the electron we are considering here the small v. V is equal to root of 2 into capital V. The value of the V is 45.5 into E 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 whole divided by m. The mass of the electron is 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31. Now, the calculation part of the V, we are getting the answer as V is equal to 4 into 10 raised to 6 meter per second. V is equal to 4 into 10 raised to 6 meter per second. Therefore, according to the question, we have to find the velocity of the electron. Therefore, the velocity of the electron V is equal to 4 into 10 raised to 6 meter per second. Third question, calculate first one momentum, second one the de Broglie wavelength of the electron accelerated to a potential difference of 56 volt. Calculate 56 volt. Given that H is equal to 6.63 into 10 raised to minus 34 joule second and the mass of the electron 9 into 10 raised to minus 31 kg and the charge is given as 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. In this condition, here we have to find the momentum and the de Broglie wavelength. Now let us consider they have given that direct H, mass of the electron and the electron E is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. Now next in this first we have to find the momentum. M is equal to or V is equal to question mark. We are considering V is equal to 1 by 2 mv square, or this can be also written in the form of or mv is equal to, we are considering root of 2e into v of m. mv is equal to root of 2e v m. Now from this we can calculate the value of mv. mv is equal to, put all the values, 2 into E 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 90. Next V into M is there. We are taking that. V is equal to 56 volt into M. Mass of the electron is 9 into 10 raised to minus 31 kg. Now momentum P is equal to mv. We are considering total answer we are getting has 4. The calculation part of the mv we are getting 4.02 into 10 raised to minus 24 kg per meter per second. Kg meter per second. The value of the momentum P is equal to mv is equal to 4.02 into 10 raised to minus 24 24 kg meter per second. In the same way, we have to find the de Broglie wavelength. Second one, we have to find the de Broglie wavelength. Now let us consider lambda is equal to 12.27 divided by root of b into angstrom. Now the calculation part of the lambda. Now 12.27 root of b is 56 into angstrom. The calculation part of the lambda, the answer we are getting has 1.64 angstrom. 1.64 angstrom. First in the question we have to find the momentum. Momentum P is equal to, we know that formula mv. We are getting the answer 4.02 into 10 raised to minus 24 kg meter per second. Second one, we have to calculate the de Broglie wavelength. Lambda is equal to 1.64 angstrom. Now next question. For what the kinetic energy of a neutron will be associated, the de Broglie wavelength is to be 1.40 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter. Second one, also find the de Broglie wavelength of the neutron in the thermal equilibrium with the matter having the kinetic energy of 3/2 kg at 300 Kelvin. Okay, here we have to find first one, what is the kinetic energy of a neutron. Second, we have to find the de Broglie wavelength of a neutron in the thermal equilibrium. The given terms, we have given that H is equal to 6.63 into 10 raised to minus 34 joule second. Next, the mass of the neutron Mn is equal to 1.675 into 10 raised to minus 27 kg. Next, they have given K is equal to, this is small k is equal to 1.38 into 10 raised to minus 23 joule per Kelvin. Now according to this, first we have to find lambda is equal to, we are writing the formula as lambda is equal to h divided by root of 2mk. Here we have to find the value of the k, or k is equal to h square by 2 times of lambda square into m. K is equal to, we are considering h square divided by 2 into lambda square into m. Now put all the values, find the value of the k. H means what is there? 6.63 into 10 raised to minus 34 whole square divided by 2 into lambda. The wavelength they have given has 1.40 into 10 raised to minus 10. 1.4 into 10 raised to minus 10 whole square into m. The mass of the neutron is 1.675 into 10 raised to minus 27. Now the calculation part of the lambda, of the k. The calculation part of the k, we are getting the answer as 6.634 into 10 raised to 21 joule. The value of the capital K is equal to 6.634 into 10 raised to 21 joule. In the same way, second one, we have to find here the de Broglie wavelength of the neutron in the thermal equilibrium, which they have given the kinetic energy. Therefore, capital K is equal to 3/2 into kT, or this can be also written as 3/2. The value of the K is 1.38 into 10 raised to minus 23. Temperature T is equal to, they have given at 300 Kelvin. 300 Kelvin. Therefore, the total answer or the calculation part of the K we are getting the answer as 1.45 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter. The value of the k is equal to 1.45 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter. Now same way we have to calculate for the de Broglie wavelength. Lambda is equal to h divided by root of 2 into k into m. Lambda is equal to h divided by root of 2 into k into m. Now the answer for the k is getting 6.21 into 10 raised to minus 21 joule. Therefore, lambda is equal to 1.45 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter.